This is our Peachybbies fan mail. You guys are constantly sending us great slime ideas, so today I'm gonna make them. So the first one we're making is from Bailey. She suggested we make saltwater taffy, and look guys, she even made a really cute drawing for it. I think this is a brilliant idea, so Bailey, today we're gonna make it happen. But first, we gotta get some materials. This design has a lot of colors. We need some pink, we need some fuchsia, we need some blue, and some yellow. This is a beautiful swirly design, so I think the best texture for this is snow fizz. So we have to separate the snow fizz into 3 parts. I'm gonna get all of our colors here and dye each one their separate color. But I'm gonna wear gloves for this. So I've never had saltwater taffy, but I think the color scheme is beautiful. Bailey, your drawing is so good. You're such a good artist. Now we're gonna make this swirly design that she created. I'm gonna grab the light pink and start rolling it and do the same with all the other colors. So what we do here at Peachybbies is we roll all the slimes out and stack them up just like that. And then we roll all of them together into one. And then we swirl the whole thing. It looks like one giant taffy. And now I'm gonna compress this slime, roll that again, add that to our cup, get my scissors and cut it. That looks really cool. I love like the marble effect. And I'm also gonna get a little scooper. So we're gonna scoop this up and decorate our slime. I'm gonna make Bailey's creation look as beautiful as possible. There we go. Wow, this is so cute. It's so colorful. I also have something to top it off. Some taffies. Guys, look at their little faces. They're so detailed. Bailey drew 2 taffies, 1 pink and 1 yellow. So I have the exact same taffies and I'm gonna place them on my slime. All right, I'm gonna place the pink one right here and the yellow one right here. There we have it, guys. This is our beautiful saltwater taffy slime. This one's for you, Bailey, and I'm gonna squish these later. Next up, we have Mary's idea, and she wants me to do a skater slime. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm kind of a skater myself, so I love this idea. And Mary, you're in good hands. I chose a clear slime for this because I want to use this awesome metallic pigment. I heard this one's like super expensive, like $1,000 or something. So I'd say it's the perfect day to use it. That's a lot of pigment. I always add too much. The color of this pigment kind of reminds me of the pavement at skate parks. Oh, it kind of looks like my nails, guys. It has like rainbows on it. I love the rainbow effect that this has. So now it's time to add it to our container. This kind of has that holographic effect, and funny enough, the coolest skater I've ever met had holographic trucks, so it's a full circle. This is giving flashbacks to Venice Beach. Now let's add our charms. When I think of skaters, I think of the cool designs they have on the back of their skateboard, so I picked out some really cute charms. I have some beautiful jelly-looking stars. I have some alien charms. Let's start off with placing our cute little aliens. That already looks really like space vibes. And now we're gonna add our little stars. But now guys, the greatest part of all time, I have some skater charms. Look at this roller skate. I have roller skates that look exactly like this, but they're like turquoise instead of purple. So this is like so beautiful. I love that it has like an ombre effect. And look at the art in the back of this skateboard. And this helmet is so cute, but it looks like a jellyfish. But yeah, it has some personality. So we're gonna start off with our roller skate. I'm gonna place it right in the center. I'm gonna ollie with this skateboard. Whoa! And now we're gonna place our skateboard. Now the helmet. Here it is, guys. This is our beautiful skater slime. Mary, you are so radical. I love this idea. I want to put this on the shop. Next up, we have Layla's ideas, and she came up with 2 ideas. They're both so good, so I'm gonna do them both. We're gonna start off with matcha milk boba. So for matcha, I think of just the grounds of the earth, right? That's where matcha comes from. So leaf green, I think will work for this. For this one, I'm gonna use a thick and glossy because I want it to resemble what matcha looks like. Matcha looks and feels very smooth, so I feel like this is perfect. I'm gonna add just a little bit because we want to get that light green shade. So we're gonna add a little bit of yellow because I want to make the perfect matcha color. Oh, I'm getting tired. All right, guys, we finally achieved the perfect matcha milk color. I'm gonna put it in my container and add these perfect charms. Look, we have some boba charms. actually love matcha and I order it all the time, so I got really excited when I saw this one. We even have like a little straw for it. I'm gonna give it a little swirl. One time I ordered matcha and they gave it to me with too many bobas. My friend said something really funny and I started choking on boba and almost died. So I'm traumatized from matcha, guys. All right, we're gonna add our little bobas in a little circle. Last but not least, our straw. There you go, Layla. This is your very own matcha milk boba slime. All right, guys, we just made 3 brand new slimes. If you think this is a lot of slimes, check out peachybbies.com where we have 5 new slimes every week. We restock every Friday at 7 p.m. It's a slime lover's paradise. But keep watching because we have 1 more slime left to make. This last slime we're making is also Layla's idea and it's called pony fur. It's so cute. And I think that the perfect texture for this is cloud dough. So I'm gonna slice this in half and we're gonna go for a pastel vibe. So I have some nice bright pigments. All right, we're gonna add a little bit of purple. This one's really vibrant, so it's just a little bit, just like that. Because when I think of ponies, I think of rainbows, I think of pastel skies, and all things nice and soft. Kind of like my shirt. That's what we're going for. Something bright, colorful, and fun, like unicorns. All right, gotta add a little bit more. Just like that, I think that's good. Layla, you knew what you were doing with this one. You know I love my horses. Now we're gonna move on to the blue color. Add just a little bit. There we go. So for this one, I kind of want to do a layer effect. So I'm going to start rolling the purple first, and then place it in my container. Cut like this much. Squish it. And then add some of the blue, about this much. You guys are always telling me to make a horse slime, and one time I did make a horse slime, but it wasn't as colorful as this. So this time, we're making a unicorn slime. She's so cute, I'm gonna name her Tinsel. For the charms, I went for a pastel vibe because I'm just thinking rainbows, hearts, and all those sorts of things. So I'm gonna place the hearts. I got them in like a yellow and a pink color. So I also got these little shooting stars because they have that rainbow effect. We not only have them in a sprinkle, but we also have them in a charm. So I'm gonna add both. I also found this really cute wand in a flower. So we're gonna add that. And then top it off with tinsel. There you go, Tinsel. This is your moment. Layla, this is a great idea. I hope you like your slime. Lastly, you know how it goes around here. It's time to squish our creations. Tinsel, you're up first. Bye, Tinsel. I'd say this one was my favorite. I love the colors. Next up, we're doing Matcha. I love the color. It makes me want to go get a matcha after work. Now we have our little friends, Mimi and Michael. Bye, Mimi and Michael. Wow, look at all the sparkles from the chunks of the clay mixed in. Looks awesome. And this one I don't want to squish. I want to take these little clay figures with me home, but I think I'm just gonna take the little roller skate. Everything else though can go. Bye, jellyfish. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Comment down below other slime ideas and send us more fan mail, and I'll see you guys next week. Like for part 2.